Hi there, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. We've done another vehicle now with StarLine S96. In this case, it's a Land Rover Discovery 5 on a 2017 plate. So I've got the tag in my hand just here, and it's also connected to the phone. So you've got tracking, and you've also got, like, you can lock and unlock the vehicle from the phone, as well as put it in service mode. There's loads of features on it, but I'm just going to go through the main sort of features on there at the moment. So Richard's got the keys there, I've got the tag here. I've actually got it on press deactivation on the tag, but you can have it so completely hands-free as well. You can completely, you know, you can choose that through your app, how you want to sort of how it operating and stuff like that. So Richard's just going to unlock the key and imitate like a thief, cloning your key frequency. It's going to get in. Alarm's going off. Okay, so Richard, if you just attempt to start the car as well. Yeah, not starting. As you can see on my phone, it's actually calling me as well. It's going to notify me of a door open and stuff. I'm just going to put the phone down. So Richard, if you want to scrub the tag off me and just jump in and deactivate the alarm, and it's continued to phone me. What happened is once he's deactivated the alarm with a couple of presses, and then goes to start the vehicle, it will start. So no tag, no start. The alarm system calls you if there's any illegal entry. So you could be like miles away, you could be literally on the other side of the country, and the alarm system will call you if there's an illegal entry. This is works really well with high-tech criminals who are basically cloning your frequency, getting in the vehicle, and then trying to access the OBD port to clone your frequency and attempting to start it. This has got the advantage. What we're finding a lot of at the moment is they'll get in, and you might already have an immobilizer on your vehicle, but they start stealing the steering wheel, you know, the infotainment system, the speed cluster, etc. So this stops all of that. As soon as I open the door, the alarm will go off and it will phone you, and if you don't pick up the phone, you can program it to call another number. So it'll call you, text you, and send you an app notification. Absolutely fantastic product. If you'd like to find out more about it, give us a call on 0208 554 554, or just follow the details on the end of this video. Thanks for watching.